Hey, what's up? Hmm, doesn't look so bad.
The garage is a mess. I haven't cleaned it since last event. It's also pretty dark in here, so we're going to change that today.
About to say hi to the neighbors.
I have to pull the car out so I can make room in the garage. A little bit of cleaning and organizing later, and now I have enough room to set up the lights. I got these lights for $9 a piece Black Friday. It's a pretty good deal, and I'm kind of kicking myself I didn't get any more. Oh well, we'll just use what we have.
Looks like these are LED strips.
And I'm just going to drill a hole right through it. I don't like the traditional method of the way that they mount these. Just going to drill it up into the ceiling. Wow, so much more brighter. I couldn't even see on this side of the garage before. That's the 1JZ VVTi. Now the second light is installed. I still need to change the other bulbs, but for now, at least it's a lot brighter and I can see what I'm doing. This is a modified front subframe from Alexander Fabrication. It relocates the steering rack forward just a little bit for running high caster. It's always a great mod to do to their car. I threw a little bit of black paint on there so it's clean and won't rust. Here's my front ankle kit. It's from FDF in Canada. After checking out GATech and WiseFab, I decided to go with this one. It looks well built, nicely engineered, has a lot of unique designs, and a full range of adjustability. Very clean stuff. Excited to run it on the car. I love this tie rod and how you can put it in different settings. I'm not really used to seeing stuff like this. All the Heim joints look very beefy and solid. All the welds look great, and the finish is real nice. This is called the Mantis kit, and it will be going on the S14. The oil pan is smashed, so while the subframe is being replaced, I'm going to pull this off and replace it or bang it out. As you can see, it has a T101 dog box and a triple plate clutch. I did the custom shifter, and here's the new oil pan.